Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to repost a reel on Facebook. So to start, open Facebook and sign into your account. Next, tap Reel button in the bottom corner. Next, so choose the reel you want to repost. You can scroll down to view the reels. For example, we want to share this reel. So tap share, which is the arrow icon in the bottom right corner. Then add the caption if you want. So you can say something about the reel. Then choose who can see the post. So you can share it to public, friends, etc. So let's share it to friends only and click done. Then tap share now to share the reel. Now, if you're using your computer, you can open the reel, then click share and select share to feed, then add your caption and click post. So to check the reel that you reposted, so open your profile, then scroll down.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
And you should see it in here. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.